Hey folks, now I know all of you have the drive and passion to make money online, and that's why you're watching this video. The only thing stopping you though is that you don't have any money to invest, right? Well, don't worry. I'm here to give you some genuine ways to make money online that won't cost you a single penny. My name's Wakar and this is the Minority Millionaires, where we help each other reach our dreams of financial freedom. Let's get this out of the way first. I'm going to be mentioning quite a lot of genuine ways to make money. Some are easier than others, but remember, the harder something is, the more money you're likely to make. So what I'm going to do is give you them in order of difficulty. Now, I'm not sponsored by any of these companies, so rest assured my advice is genuine. Plus, I've tried these methods myself and they all work. Before we get started, why not give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you actually want to make some money online. Number 5. Getting paid to play games on your mobile phone? That can't be serious. Yes, it is. Now, this method is the simplest and quickest way of making a little bit of cash. You'll make around $25 to $30 a week depending on how much time you actually put in. And since it's so easy to do, anyone can do it. Maybe if you're a stay-at-home parent, maybe if you have some free time, or if you're just bored. Now, this method can give you a little bit of cash that you can potentially use to boost some other methods that I'm going to give you. All you have to do is download certain apps like Lucky Miner or AppFlame. Once you've done that, they'll basically give you a list of games to download. And our aim is to gain as many coins as possible with the least amount of time. So initially, when you install a game, it may give you 200 to 300 coins or more on some of the games for the first 60 seconds. I've kind of exhausted my games, which is why you can't see many. However, what will happen is, as you continue to play, the seconds required to play will increase, as well as the reward. So the coins and the time will gradually increase from 1 minute of playing to gain 300 coins to eventually 5 minutes for 900 coins, then 10 minutes for 1200 coins, for example. And when it eventually goes into hours, I recommend you stop and find another game, since it's not going to be worth carrying on with this one. Keep doing this method until you have exhausted all of the games on that app. Once you have collected enough points, which is around $2 to $3 for around 12.6k coins, let me just show you, or $12 to $15 for around 119k coins, uninstall the apps and go again. What you see here is basically in pounds, since I'm in the UK. Another thing you can do is share the app with your friends. If you do, then you will gain 250 coins for every friend, plus you will gain 25% of what they earn and they will earn 25% of what you earn. But don't worry, this doesn't take any coins from you or them, but just gives you both more. This is the fastest way to gain loads of coins as a group. I've done this myself just to see if it actually works or if it was a scam. Turns out it does pay out, but it's not really a fast way of making money long term, but it's really easy for some extra cash, especially if you can get some other people on board. I'll give you an extra tip as well to make this even easier. If you're able to stop your phone from going to sleep, you can keep the apps open and keep the timer going. The best time to do this is when you're sleeping. Think about it, 8 hours of sleep will gain you a lot of coins. I've put a link to Lucky Miner and AppFlame below, which will give you a 5,555 bonus to start with, so you only need around 7,000 more coins to get your first payout. This can be easily done. The money can be collected in a few different ways. Some of the most common ways are PayPal if you want cash, or through gift cards on Amazon, iTunes, Steam and many others. But it does depend on the app. You could sell the gift cards on eBay or other online stores if you wanted to. Number 4. This method is called selling your virtual services on Fiverr. Here you can make a decent amount of money in around 3 months or less. However, this does depend on you and your skill set. Plus, it's absolutely free to start and you can start from any country. There are no investment costs or anything that you need to put in, just your time and effort. You may be asking, what is Fiverr? Well, even if you weren't, I'm still going to tell you. Fiverr is basically an online marketplace where people buy and sell virtual services. So you may be asking, what are virtual services? Well, simply, it's just a service you provide to someone virtually. Let's say, for example, someone has created a blog and actually needs someone to write an article for them. They will go on Fiverr and find someone willing to write that article and then pay them their fee. That someone could be you. You could be making money from the comfort of your own home. Think about it. If you're working a regular job and you have to travel, it would take you around 2 hours on average getting there and then 2 hours back. That's 4 hours a day gone. Then, when you actually get to work, the boss is giving you a hard time, not appreciating your work, and you're not getting anywhere and are stuck in that job. Avoid all of that and start working for yourself. The beauty of this is, the more you work, the more you can charge. If you actually make an effort and work hard, this will be rewarded. So, how much money can you actually make on Fiverr? This does depend on you. You can use this for part-time work or even a full-time income. However, remember this. When you initially start, you won't be making much money, as you will later on. And that's because you need to build trust with your customers. If you're able to do a good job and deliver on time, you'll get a good rating. There are 4 levels of standard: seller, level 1 seller, level 2 seller, and finally top rated seller. And that's where you want to get to. The higher your rating, the more money you make. Now, to put this into perspective, to get from seller to level 1 seller, you need to have been working 60 days and have earned $400. Now think about that. That's not really a long time to earn $400, depending on where you are. But that's the minimum to get to the next level. Practically, if you think about it, it's reasonably fast to get there. And if you actually go on Fiverr, you will see how many people are actually even on level 1 or 2. The only thing I will say is don't try and cheat anyone. Work hard, do your best, and you will start earning quite a lot of money. I just want to give you a few examples of what services you could be offering. Number 1, video editing, blogging, virtual customer service, translating, social media marketing, and many more things. I may do a full video on Fiverr if you guys are interested, to try and give you some more tips on how to become successful. Leave in the comments if that's what you'd like. The best thing about this is that even if you're not experienced at something, let's say for example video editing, it's kind of like you're getting paid to train. Even if you're not great at something in the beginning, the more you do it, the better you become, the more you charge. Not only that, after a while, you can have your own business. Okay, so you may be thinking, do you know what, that's actually too much active work. I want to be making money whilst I sleep. Well, that's a great desire to have. If you don't find a way to make money whilst you sleep, you'll be working for the rest of your life. Let's move on to some passive ways of making money. These are my favorites. Number 3, affiliate marketing. I'm not sure if you've heard of affiliate marketing before, but basically, it's when someone purchases a product through your link, you gain a commission for it. Now, this is one of the best ways to make a passive income, but it's quite broad, as you can go into multiple fields of affiliate marketing. Now, because it's so massive, you get to choose what you want to promote and in what niche. One of the best affiliate programs is Amazon Affiliates. This is simply where you refer a customer to Amazon through your link. When they go through to Amazon, they have 24 hours to purchase something. Now, the best thing about this is they don't actually have to purchase what you recommended. They could purchase anything in those 24 hours and you will make a commission. But the rate depends on the item. Some are a lot higher than others. The only downside to Amazon affiliate marketing is that the commissions aren't very high. So you need to make quite a lot of sales to be able to make a decent amount of money. But again, this is counted by if you send them for a cookbook and they buy a camera, you get commission for the camera. That's an awesome deal. So you're probably wondering, how am I supposed to get people to click on my link and get to Amazon? And I want to do it for free. Well, that depends on what niche you want to focus on. For example, let's go into the cooking niche. After you have signed up for an Amazon Associates account, I would use 3 strategies to send customers to Amazon using my link. And none of these methods cost a penny. The first one is Pinterest. What you can do is create or find pictures or videos of tasty looking dishes, and I recommend niching down further if you can. For example, for dishes you could pick curries or whatever your cultural dishes are. That could give you an advantage. It would also be better if you could take the picture or video yourself to make it look more authentic. Then find a cookbook online that contains that dish. There are a lot of them. After that, all you have to do is pin the post, and in that post, put your affiliate link in, so as soon as someone clicks it, it takes them to the Amazon listing, and then if they purchase anything from there, you make your commission. And that's it. You could do that multiple times, and the more times you do, the more people click, the higher chances of you making money. The other method you can use is Instagram. What I would do is create a theme page on curries or whatever niche you've picked and start posting relevant pictures and videos. You could probably use the same content that you've used for your Pinterest posts and use the same strategy of including your Amazon link in the post. Just make sure the posts that you're using are actually of good quality, because people aren't attracted to poor quality. Finally, the last platform I recommend using is YouTube. That is the best way to get an affiliate commission on Amazon. To be honest, you could just use the YouTube on its own if you really wanted. However, what I would recommend is using all 3 methods. Use the same videos that you put on your Instagram and Pinterest posts and create YouTube videos for them. Basically, you're killing 3 birds with 1 stone. If you continue to post quality content regularly on all 3 platforms, you will see a lot of traffic coming in and make money whilst you sleep. Not only that, you will most likely see a growth in followers, and then you can monetize in so many different ways. You will be swimming in money. But this is just one niche. You can do this with multiple niches. Amazon is an A to Z. Number 2, Shutterstock. Shutterstock is a website where you are able to sell pictures and videos that you have taken. You may be asking, what if I don't have a DSLR or a professional camera? To be honest, most mobile cameras nowadays are actually quite good, so you shouldn't really have a problem even if you don't have a professional camera. However, if you aren't able to get a decent camera that can record in 1080p, then I'd probably skip this one. But if your camera can still take decent pictures, then might as well try. It costs nothing to start. But I know a lot of people have at least decent cameras. Even the older phones have some decent cameras with them. But if you're able to make 4K videos, then you've hit the jackpot. Because if one of your 4K videos sells, you make around $46. Woo! The images you sell pay a lot less, but it's all passive. All you have to do is take pictures and videos and upload them to your portfolio, and when people buy them, you just make money. However, because it's so easy to do, there is a lot of competition. What I suggest you do is think like a minority millionaire and think outside the box. An example is take pictures of things that only you can take. For example, let's say you're in Agra, India. You have the Taj Mahal. Now you'll be able to find loads of pictures of the Taj Mahal from the front. What you can do is get creative. Take some shots that other people don't have. They can be different angles, they can be different locations. Websites around travel or blog posts around exotic destinations will pay to get these type of pictures. There are many places like this around the world. For example, in the US, you have Niagara Falls. If you manage to take a different angle shot of a video or picture, I suggest you do both, then it would be fantastic because you've just set yourself apart from the rest and become the minority. Another example is a visually historic location where an old man is just sitting there smoking a pipe. You could give him a couple of bucks and say, look, let me record a video of you and take some pictures. Think about it. A lot of places actually pay for these type of photographs or videos. You never know, you may hit the jackpot. Because you've set yourself apart, you could be seen by millions. However, don't depend on hitting the jackpot. Play the odds by posting as many quality pictures and videos as you can to maintain a sustainable income. Number 1. Now this is my favorite way of making money without spending a penny, and it's called Redbubble. Well, you may be wondering, what is Redbubble and how am I supposed to make money from this? Well, Redbubble is a website that sells a lot of different products, from t-shirts to phone cases to mugs. You may be wondering, how am I actually supposed to make money on this? Well, it's actually very simple and you don't have to do much at all. And it won't cost you a penny to start. All you have to do is create a design that will go on a product. Let's say, for example, a t-shirt. Then Redbubble basically have a minimum set threshold that is covering their cost. And you set the markup. Let's say, for example, the t-shirt cost is $10. You can put it up to whatever you want after that. But be careful, if you set the price too high, you won't be getting many sales. The only caveat to that is if your design is absolutely amazing, then fair enough, but still take into consideration. Remember another thing, once you've actually created a design, you don't only have to use it on one product, you can use it on all of them. For example, t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, pillows, and many other things. Once the t-shirt is sold, Redbubble will take their cut and then you get your cut. That's it. Now you may be thinking, I can't actually draw or create graphic designs, so how am I able to make anything worth selling? Well, guess what? I can barely draw a stick man. And that's also true for graphic design. So don't worry if you're not proficient in graphic design. I'm going to show you a method that won't even require it. And you will still be able to sell multiple products. You may also be thinking, where am I supposed to get the ideas for these designs? Don't worry, I will tell you exactly what I do. Well, it's simple. We're going to use text-based designs. Here are some examples of text-based designs that sell incredibly well. Now, to get the ideas, we will use social media pages from Instagram and Facebook meme pages and just find popular memes and just put them on t-shirts. The best method is to find a niche and then find memes for that niche and then put it on a t-shirt or a mug or a phone case. For example, anime works really well. So if you can join anime groups, as an example, let's say Dragon Ball Z. What you can do is find memes. From there, you could also post the t-shirts in that group. So you're putting a product that people are interested right in front of them. I'm telling you, this works really well. To make the design, you can use a few different applications or websites. But don't worry, they're all free. The first one is canva.com. This is an easy and free method to make text-based designs. If you're lucky enough to be more of an artist, then GIMP is a fantastic tool similar to Photoshop, but it's absolutely free. Once you made several designs and uploaded them, you will start seeing money coming in, and it will all be passive income. You don't have to do the customer service, the shipping or anything. Just collect the money when the item sells. However, one thing to remember, this is a long-term game, so don't expect to get rich the next day. I'll probably do another video to delve into this further. Well, there you have it. 5 awesome ways to make money even if you don't have a penny to your name. At the end of it, you will have a lot more than a penny. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to learn more ways of making money and fulfill your dreams of becoming financially free and live the life that you want and deserve. Leave in the comments below if there are any other methods that you would like to share, or if there's anything else in particular that you would like me to cover. There are a lot more videos to come, don't worry. Have a great day, see you next time.